Crude oil and net gas traded in a narrow zone throughout the day. We have seen neither the bulls nor the bears taking the charge throughout the day and staying in the zone. Now, what to expect today with the US session from crude oil and net gas and how to profit, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update must have already profited. And this is the only channel in the world to give you two updates with precision, with detailed analysis for crude oil and net gas in the world. Thus, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do share and spread the word, do like, share and comment, and join the free telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into US crude, followed with net gas. See crude on the hourly charts, you can find out, see the movement here, higher highs, higher lows. Here it is still staying in the bullish channel. Where are the lows of this channel? See, as long as oil respects 68, 67.8, first of all, you should not be treating this as bearish. What is happening here after the rise here? We can see a sharper correction, little retracement, then a correction, now retracing. So it is trying to create a slight bearish channel like this. And thus, as long as 69.4 levels are not taken today, you should not be treating oil as. And in fact, if you are buying at 69.4, be watchful till 69.8, and then after that we can look forward to a rise towards the 69.8. 70.2 should be a greater resistance zone. If you look at the complete movement, look at this formation. So yes, it is delivering good waves here. The stochastic has dropped to the bottom, now rising. MACD is still bearish. RSI has dropped as here. Coming to two, on the 2 hour charts, you can find out moving averages crossing over here. Trading with divergence is staying bullish. Yes, higher lows and higher highs are seen. And also you can find out there is a slight peak here. We have to wait for it to break out on the upside. And yes, any move beyond 69.8, 70.2 zone is a clear confirmation that the bulls are active here. Else it is right now consolidating its position. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is also crossing over for sell. This is a slight bearish sign here on the 2 hour charts. RSI dropping a bit. Coming to 3. Look at the 3 hour charts. What has happened? See, the peak is seen, first bearish candle, and then a swing has appeared. So I can expect that the current candle might try to trade bearish. It can in fact move towards 68.5, 68.4, and taking the support, we will watch out how it behaves. Hitting this zone again, possibly later today or tomorrow, it can try to bounce back. Right now it is, and see a reversal confirmation now in oil is, if you see it is staying above 69.4, 69.6 zone, that will be the confirmation that you can say now oil has reversed. Moving averages have also crossed over here, and these are trading with divergence, good sign for the bulls here. Stochastic looking downwards suggests your slight bearishness. MACD is on the verge of a crossover, while RSI is trading comfortable. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, see similar observation here. See straight bullishness, one sharp candle has appeared. Now the second candle might appear here. If you look at the formation, see what has happened. It is just replicating the same here. So largely keeping itself in the bullish zone, it can try to consolidate here somewhere at around 68.4, 68.6 zone and stay in the zone here. Be mindful of this, and as long as it respects in fact 68, 67.8 zone today, we should not be treating this as bearish. What will happen once it breaks below 67.8? We can look forward to a greater down move which can take it till towards 67.5, 67 levels. Stochastic overbought looking downwards. MACD is in green trying to converge, crossover for sell. RSI trading comfortable. Coming to now, look at the daily charts. What it has done. See, first of all, bullishness retracement, higher lows. First bullish candle. Second can appear here, but it has to give a breakout. What has happened today? It has started with lower highs and it is just trying to consolidate its position. And that is why I say once it breaks beyond 69.4, 69.6 zone, then you can say that we can look forward to a rise towards 70.2, and then 70.5, 70.6 zone will appear as the next targets. There is a possibility it has formed a tail. It can keep moving on the upside. Be watchful of 69.4, 69.6 zone. Stochastic at top. MACD has crossed over here at the bottom. Good sign for the bulls here. RSI is flat. Now looking at, first thing is where you should sell. See, ideally you should sell here at a 68.5, 68.6 zone, but you can jump a little early as well. You can sell here at 68.8 levels. When you see the higher prices below 68.8, take a selling entry below which you can expect 68.5, 68.6 as the first target zone, 67.8, 68 as the next target zone, and any move below 67.8 should be treated as seriously, because below which we are looking forward to a greater correction towards 67.3 and 67 levels. And only bearishness in oil is below 66.5 levels. On the upside, I will recommend a buy at 69.4, where you can expect 69.6 or rather you can just watch out more closely at 69.4, 69.6 zone, beyond which you can look forward to 69.85, 70.1, 70.2, 70.6, 71.2, and rather 72.4 as the next targets very very soon. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. And before we move into natural gas, if you want to learn this art of trading, join our mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, join the signals channel on Telegram, where we trade diverse instruments including multiple indices and commodities from across the globe. Do not miss this opportunity. Join it today. Connect with me over Telegram or email for your queries related to the services. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the commodities, currencies, crypto, and indices from across the globe with easier transactions, easier withdrawals, and which offers you a safe free account, lowest spreads, and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Now let's move on to natural. See, net gas, what net gas has done, it was trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has come towards, it has taken the support and now trying to bounce back. If you see, it is staying above 2.6. Just stay bullish. We can look forward to 2.6 to 2.66. 2.6 is the ideal target. After the rise retracement, and now if it gives a breakout, it is beyond 2.62. It is going to be a stronger breakout. Be watchful of this. Stochastic now looking upwards after the drop, while the MACD is still trading bearish and it is looking down. RSI is also looking upwards here on the early charts. Coming to 2 hour, look at the 2 hour charts. It is showing a reversal sign. Just let it stay above 2.59 itself, but then 2.6, 2.62 is something you should watch out for. This is going to be critical. Beyond this, you can look forward to a greater move. I will look forward to 2.66, 2.72. 2.8 levels as the next targets very very soon. Moving averages are also looking upwards, staying bullish. Stochastic after the drop now looking upwards, good bullish signs, while the MACD has started to converge but not yet crossed over. It is still in green, so let's see if it starts to diverge, which is going to be a good bullish indication. RSI very near to the top. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts, you can see this reversal sign, couple of retracement candle, and now a bounce back. And now if it stays about 2.59, 2.6 zone, I think more bullishness will prevail here, and then you can look forward to 2.62 and then 2.66 levels. Yes, possibly a bounce back cannot be denied from the current levels. As long as it stays about 2.56 today, we should not be treating this as bearish. In fact, 2.56 should be the ideal level for us to take a selling entry. Stochastic dropped here. The MACD is in green, rising. RSI is rising. On the 4 hour charts, if you, the observation on the 4 hour charts is more or less same. Rise retracement, rise retracement. See, couple of red candles, just couple of red candles, and it is trying to reverse. This suggests that there is inherent bullishness here. And if it stays above 76.2, I think we are going to see an enormous rise here towards 76.6. Sorry, 22.6 zone. Beyond 2.66, we can look forward to a greater rise towards 2.7 to 2.8 levels. Yes, be watchful here, be watchful. But only correction, only concern point which I have right now is the divergence of the price from the moving average. And if you look at the movement in the recent past, it always tries to converge towards 20 period moving average and then bounce back. See, this is the channel it is creating. Where are the support here towards 2.5, 2.52 zone? Very very strong support exists till then. Stochastic overbought, MACD is in green, and RSI very near to the overbought levels. Coming to daily, look at the daily charts here. A flat base, first bullish candle. I think once it stays beyond 2.6, 2.62 today, we can look forward to 2.66, 2.72 and higher levels. Moving averages are now looking upwards, staying bullish. And if you look at the formation, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and again a rise, so at least it could move towards the top of the channel here. And if you connect the dots, you will find the top of the channel somewhere here towards 2.66 zone, which is definitely going to be a greater resistance. The stochastic looking up, MACD bullish, RSI very much near to the overbought zone. So now we have seen the charts and indicators, and considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2.6. Expect 2.62, 2.66, 2.72, 2.8 levels, very much achievable. And in this week itself, if it stays above 2.66, we can look forward to a greater rise here. In fact, today itself, we can see it breaking beyond 2.7. But again, 2.62 and 2.66 are the levels it needs to break in order to turn complete bullish or give a breakout. While on the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 2.57 levels. Expect it to move towards 2.55 and 2.525, 2.5 as the three support levels. Till 2.5, very very strong support exists here for natural gas. Below 2.5 is where we can say now it is turning or reversing. In fact, 2.48 also you should watch out for. Below 2.48 is where you can say a crash is awaited in natural gas, taking it till towards 2.4 in lower levels. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch every day with the first update with the Asia and Europe session. That gives you very much idea, very much clarity on what to expect throughout the day. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.